Hi, welcome channel KK at Universe. Today we're gonna create trending light lamp using paper shopping bag. Let's go. Take a cardboard, cut into round shape, mask tape, scissors, pencil, mini light. I bought this from Amazon. Take a shopping bag, cut it. Now take any shape. You can either use heart, butterfly. I'm using teddy bear. If you want to see reflection, add draw few pictures. If you want a cluster design, draw many. Like this fully. Now cut it. Only the corner. Like this. Now bend it. Repeat for all diagram. Like this. Now take a cardboard. Place it on top. Cover it. And then take another cardboard. Place light. Then add both. Place it on top. Now light lamp is ready. I draw mini diagram so I can see the cluster design. If you want reflection, add few. Thank you for watching KK Art Universe. Do like, share and subscribe. Follow me for regular artwork.